I always love when jobs have added surprises. No, not really. I don't love when they have added surprises. But as I was putting the rear wheel back on, I noticed this, which is a nail in my tire. So now I need to plug this. It's not close enough to the sidewall that we have to be too concerned, so I think we can just yank the nail out and put a plug in there, and I'll show you how to do that now. The first thing you'll want to do is wear safety glasses on a project like this, because as you take that nail out, there's a lot of air pressure in this tire and it can shoot that thing out pretty fast. I like this little kit. I keep it in the car with me all the time. It's a tire plug kit, and it's got basically everything you need. Sorry, I already took this out, but it's got everything you need. It's got the plugs, it's got all the tools, it's even got some needle nose pliers for you to get this stuff out with. So that's what we're gonna do first, is yank this bad boy out. So sometimes you need to ream the hole out a little bit to get it big enough to get the plug in there. So that's what this is for. And then what you want to do is take one of these plugs and put it on the end of this, kind of squeezes it in there. And then you just grab it in the middle and jam it in. You can use a little bit of rubber cement with that too, which helps. There you go. It's not beautiful, but this should hold. And as you drive on a tire, it'll just get worn down and smushed in there. All right, there you go. That is how you plug a tire. And I would highly recommend that you keep a plug kit in the car, because modern Porsches don't have a spare tire anymore. But they do have an onboard air compressor, so you could plug it and fill the tire on the side of the road. You can even do this with the wheels still on the car, but it's pretty hard. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, please give it a like.